Hello everyone. Today we have this equation 6 minus 6 next to 9 minus 6. So in this math problem, which might look simple at the beginning, most of the people, they don't apply correctly the order of operation. So in most of the cases, people do everything from left to right. So first they do what they do. They do 6 minus 6, which equals to 0, and they multiply 9 minus 6 with 3, and they get 0. But of course, this answer is not correct, and this approach is not correct. Why? Because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses, and we always do it in the first place. E stands for exponents, we do it in the second, here we don't have it. Multiplication, M and D stands for multiplication and division. We always do it in the third place. And what's important, we always do it from left to right. And the last is addition and subtraction. In this case, we have the parentheses, so of course we must do the parentheses in first place. So we must not do first the subtraction, then here, for example, we have multiplication, then parentheses. No, we do first the parentheses. Then after parentheses, exponents, we don't have it, and then we go to multiplication or division. Then we have multiplication. So we do it in the second place. So now what we have is parentheses first, then we do multiplication second, and last is addition and subtraction. In this case, we have subtraction. Okay, this said, let's go solve the equation. Okay, so we do parentheses in first place. So we have 6 minus 6 multiply 9 minus 6 equals to 3. What we get is 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, so we get 6 minus 18, and as a result we get minus 12.